Step, touch. Welcome if it's your first time here. Welcome back if you have grooved with me before. Today we have a fun step to the beat, getting our steps in to some disclosure tracks. All you have to do is have fun, take your arms up and down, and follow me, all right? We're making sure we move our bodies today. Step, up, and over. Time to speed it up, let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Cross, out, cross. Make sure you're moving those arms. Time to speed it up. 1, 2, 1, 2. Step, touch. Move those arms. Take those arms up, down. And up and over. Let's speed it up. Step, cross. Let's speed it up. All right, this time, let's pick our knees up. March. How you feeling? Arms and down. March. Keep going. You got it. All right. Step out in. Stay light on those toes so that you can move. Out. Out, in, out, up. Back, back. Reach, reach, out, in. All the way from the top. Step. Step back. All right, here we go. Step. Step. There you go. You got it. March it out. Yeah. We keep stepping to the beat. All right, get ready to speed it up. 1, 2. There you go. Get those arms up. Step through. How you feeling? You should be proud of yourself. What? All right. Speed it up. Stay low. Low. Catch your breath here. Let's walk. 1, 2, 3. Back. Pull those arms. Other way. One more time. 1, 2. All right. Speed it up. Remember to stay low. 1, 2. Here you go. Inhale. Exhale. Give it up for yourself. You did that. I hope you're proud of yourself. I am proud of you too. Thank you for joining me for this 10-minute step to the beat workout. I will see you next time. Peace.